Ever wondered how your favorite apps and websites go from a blank slate to a beautiful, functional experience? Chances are, Figma played a huge role. Figma is a powerhouse design tool that's become the go-to for creating, sharing, and testing designs for everything from mobile apps to websites. Its standout feature is real-time collaboration. Imagine multiple people working on the exact same design file simultaneously, seeing each other's cursors and making live edits. It's truly like Google Docs for designers. Plus, it's browser-based, meaning you can access your project from any computer, anywhere, without installing software. You can design user interfaces, build interactive prototypes, and even get code snippets for developers. Now, while Figma is amazing, some users, especially on larger projects, can experience occasional loading delays or a slight learning curve with advanced features like auto layout. I've been there, staring at a spinning wheel, wondering if my internet was to blame. But honestly, the efficiency gained from its collaborative nature far outweighs these minor hiccups. I once worked on a remote project where we designed an entire app interface in a day, purely because we could all work together in real time on Figma, making instantaneous decisions. It was a game changer for our workflow. Ready to revolutionize how you design and collaborate? What's your thought?